my first time trying to sing, so please bear with me. If there's any mistake, please forgive me.
Yeah, I can see that. You can sit here.
I'm just going to go along with one of the songs that I've heard, so that it helps me with the tune.
Get a free eye test as well.
Yeah.
You can go further. Come further if you want.
Atmanivedana Tuvapari Gauri Hoino Paramasuki Atmanivedana Tuvapari Gauri Hoino Paramasuki Dukaduri Chilo Chintana Rohilo Chodike Ananda Deki Dukaduri Chilo Chintana Rohilo Chodike Ananda Deki Atmani Vidana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Atmani Vidana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Ashoka Abaya Amarta Adara Tumara Charana Dvaya Ashoka Abaya Amarta Adara Tumara Charana Dvaya Tahite Ekuna Vishrama Vabhya Charinu Bhavira Boya Tahite Ekuna Vishrama Vabhya Charinu Bhavira Boya Atmani Vedana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Atmani Vedana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Tumara Samsarai Kuribo Shevana Naibo Paridabagi Tumara Samsarai Kuribo Shevana Naibo Paridabagi Tava Shuka Jahe Kuribo Jatana Hoye Pare Anuragi Tava Shuka Jahe Kuribo Jatana Hoye Pare Anuragi Atmani Vidana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Atmani Vedana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Tumara Sevaya Dukkha Hoya Jato Seyoto Paramasuka Tumara Sevaya Dukkha Hoya Jato Seyoto Paramasuka Seva Sukha Dukkha Paramasampada Nasaye Avidya Dukkha Seva Sukha Dukkha Paramasampada Nasaye Avidya Dukkha Atmani Vedana Tuvapari Kuri Huino Paramasuki Bulinu Sakala Seva Sukha Peye Mane Amito Purva Itihasa Bulinu Sakala Seva Sukha Peye Mane Amito Tumara Tumito Amara Kigada Aparadani Tumito Amara Aparadani Atmani Vidina Tua Parikuri Hoino Paramasuki Atmani Vidina Tua Parikuri Hoino Paramasuki Bhatta Vinoda Ananda Dubya Bhatta Vinoda Ananda Dubya Tumara Sevara Thari Sabashishta Kore Bhatta Vinoda Ananda Dubya Tumara Sevara Thara Sabashishta Kore Tava Ichamato Takia Tumara Gare Tava Ichamato Takia Tumara Gare Tumare Gare Prabhu Tumare Gare Prabhu Tumare Gare Prabhu Tumare Gare Prabhu Shivaratari Shabi Shishta Kore Shivaratari Shabi Shishta Kore Bhakti Vinoda Ananda Dubya Tumara Shivara Bhakti Vinoda Ananda Dubya Tumara Shivara Tarisha Bashishta Kore Tava Ichamato Takia Tumara Gare
Tava Ichamato Takia Tumara Gare
Atmani Videna Tuva Parikuri Hoino Paramasuki
Atmani Vedana
Tuva Parikuri Hoino Paramasuki. So in this first one, it says, I have become supremely joyful by surrendering myself at your holy feet. Unhappiness has gone away and there are no more anxieties. I see joy in all directions. For the number 2 sloka. Ashaka Abhoya Amarta Adara Tumara Charana Tvaya Tahite Ekona Vishrama Labhya Chadinu Bhaveraboya. Your 2 lotus feet are reservoirs of immortal nectar where one may live freely from sorrow and fear. I have found peace there now and have given up the fear of worldly existence. Number 3 verse. Tumara Share Koribo Shevana Nahibo Palayarabagi Tava Shukha Jaye Koribo Jatana Hoy Pare Anuragi. I shall render service in your household and not endeavor to enjoy the fruits of that service, but rather I shall strive for whatever pleases you, fully devoted to your lotus feet. Tomara Sevaya Dukkha Hoya Jato Sheto Parama Shuka Sheva Shuka Dukkha Parama Sampara Nasaya Avidya Dukkha. Troubles encountered in your service shall be the cause of great happiness for you in your devotional service. Joy and sorrow are equally great riches. Both destroy the misery of ignorance. Purva Itihasa Bulino Sakala Sheva Shuka Peyemani Amito Tomara Tumi to amara ki gaja aparadane. I have completely forgotten all past history by feeling great joy. In my mind, I am most certainly yours, and you are indeed mine. What need is there of any other treasures? Bhakta Vinoda Ananda Dupiya, Tumara Shivara Tari Shabashishta Kuri, Tava Icha Matu Takiya, Tumara Kari. Bhakti Vinoda, diving into the ocean of bliss, devotes all his efforts for your service and dwells in your house according to your wishes. So from here is surrendering to the Lord. In this song, Srila Bhakti Vinoda Thakurji, he is surrendering. He finds that his Saranagati is to surrender to the lotus feet of Krishna, and by doing that, he feels he's always in the mind of Krishna, and all the service that he's doing in his everyday life, all of the things that he's doing is to Krishna, and with Krishna's will he is performing all the activities. And with that, what I find is having a guru, and when you have your guru, the greatest offering you can give to your guru is your love. So it's the same thing with Krishna. The greatest offering you can give is love, and whatever you do in your life, when you have love, you are able to do the thing with satisfaction. When I say satisfaction, it's the will of God. So when you're doing it with love, you are able to give that energy of that love to every soul that you meet and every living being. So this is from Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Vanakur Swami Maharajaji. He's my guru. And love, to surrender, the most important thing that you need is the love. So you open your heart and you give love. Love is the highest gift. In spiritual life, we may sometimes think our offering has to be big, impressive, or perfect, but Guru and Krishna are not looking for our outer show. They see the heart behind the offering. A simple prayer can be meaningful. One sincere round can be meaningful. One humble act of service can be meaningful. So Guru and Krishna are the same. And when you need guidance to be in your spiritual practice, Guru is your guidance, and from there you learn to have the love where you can open up your heart and let the love in, and you're able to give the love shine to everyone.